This is the self-priming kit for pressure washers. It is the water inlet suction pipe set. It has a 2 meter half-inch braided inlet pipe. This is the thickness of the pipe. It is approximately 2 mm and very high quality pipe. As you can see, this is an imported pipe of half-inch diameter. The self-priming kit includes this strainer filter and this quick connect hose connector. And we can show you this strainer filter has a weight inside it so that it sinks easily inside the bucket. Follow. There you can see the weight inside here. One side of the inlet pipe fits onto this strainer filter, which is also known as the bucket filter. The other side we will connect with this hose connector, and this hose connector will connect onto your inlet filter of the pressure washer. The pipe length is about 7 feet 2 meters, and you have to make sure that your pressure washer has the self priming capability, otherwise it will not suck the water from the bucket. Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. Thank you.